Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your most requested horoscope reading for July for Aquarius. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Aquarius, this reading is for you. If you know an Aquarius, you can cross watch it for them. Friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. Friends, this is a general reading, may or may not resonate, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. And this is for July, friends, for the month of July, but you can watch it anytime. It will still resonate with you and help you out. So let's see, Aquarius, how are you doing? How your July will be? It is a powerful month for you, friends, July, because you will be having a full moon in Aquarius in July, so it will really be very powerful for you. Let's see what is, we'll look at your love and work now. Let's see the theme of the month of July. Oh my god. Oh, this is beautiful. Ace of Cups. Wow, Aquarius, love is coming your way. A new start, a new healing, a new relationship, a new sense of relief, a new start, a powerful new start is coming for you. It's like a new life happening for you. Congratulations, Aquarius. I do see that this new start that's happening for you in July, you will feel very emotional about it, or there is some sort of an extra sense of emotions with it. It is like you are getting a new job, you're very excited, but you are also a little sad that you have to leave your friends behind at the new job. You have to leave your family or you have to move to a new city, but it's exciting at the same time that you are moving, you're shifting into a new phase, a new romance, a new life is coming, a new you is coming, Aquarius. So get ready. Six of Swords, yes, moving out of troubles, moving out of challenges. The bad, the worry, the clouds are over. It's time for success. It's time for rainbows, Aquarius. It's time for rainbows. Let's see. Oh my god, Empress. Yes, you are slaying, Aquarius. You are slaying. I love that. You're very powerful in this month, friends. And you're gonna really, go after your dreams, your career, your ambition, your even your, emotional dreams. You will have a You're very lucky, Aquarius, in July. That's what I was telling you. You have a full moon in Aquarius in July around the 20, what is it, 24th? Yeah, 24th. We all, so it will be lucky for you. And even, some of you could have a chance to get pregnant, childbirth. Some of you could actually be getting married or meeting people you will end up actually getting married with. A lot of success, a lot of power coming back to you. You feeling you are slaying, Aquarius. You are slaying. I don't know what is the other word. You are like a god. You are like a goddess. It's a new start. It's a sweet start for you, a rebirth for you. So very powerful, very powerful, and I'm so happy this is on a good note. Let's see your love life, Aquarius. Their love life in July. What will happen for Aquarius in their love life? Hanged Man. Love life for Aquarius. Justice. Love life for Aquarius. Okay. I don't know why it wanna come here. Let's keep it there. Alright. I'm gonna remove these cards a bit for now so that we can see the cards. Aquarius, their love life in July. Aquarius, their love life in July. Oh. So very, very powerful month for you, friends. Very powerful month. When you start this first week of July, you're definitely feeling very stuck, with your love life. You're feeling like there is a no contact situation, or if you are single, you're feeling like you have been single forever. If you are in a relationship, it is feeling stuck. It is feeling like nobody is talking, nobody's making a move. But you may also be feeling like in the first week of July that life is unfair. People have done you wrong. Life has been unfair. You are not even feeling very emotional, I would say, or in a need for love. You are like, I don't want love, I just don't want it. You are in that mood in the first week of July. But that's not the end, Aquarius. That's just the beginning. Justice is going to happen. I do feel, friends, you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini in the first week of July. Also, some of you, Aquarius, people have done you wrong. There has been a relationship or marriage or friendships or people in general have done you wrong, and that will be balanced in the first week of July. Some sort of a karmic balance will be happening, some justice will happen. Those who hurt you will be hurted too, those who leave you will be left out too. So some sort of a balance is happening. Those who said they will not miss you, they will end up missing you and calling you in the first week. So woohoo, justice is happening, balance is happening. And in the second week of July, I do feel that yes, someone will be making a move towards you, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or someone who was very arrogant and very money minded in the past. That person will be coming towards you. I also feel if you are single, Aquarius, it could be a new lover. It could be somebody from work, not new, but somebody from work approaching you for love. Someone doesn't want to give up on you. They want a second chance with you, Aquarius. They want your love. They want you back. And look at that, Ten of Cups. Yes, happiness, ultimate happiness is coming for you. And I do see that forgiveness will happen, a chance of redemption will happen. For others of you, I also feel family is very important in the second week. This is a slow week for you, but a lot of healing, a lot of family vibes are there. You spending time with family, coming to meet you, you going to meet them. Also, I feel if some of you are planning to expand your family, second week will be a good time for that. And yeah, I do see that someone is missing you and they will try to approach you, friends, in the second week. Let's see the third week, Aquarius. Wow. The Five of Cups, yeah. Someone is seriously missing on you, friends. Someone is crying over you. They want you back. It could be a twin flame. It could be an ex-lover, husband-wife. It could be a current person who is regretting what they did now. Someone is really, really missing you and they are in no contact and they are crying head over heels for you. They could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, someone younger, or someone who is a little silly, silly in the sense immature. They behave immature. That person is coming towards you. They're gonna propose you and they want you back. Yes, Two of Pentacles. This you will be in double minds about them, Aquarius. I'll be very honest here. I'm an Aqua myself. You know how honest we are. We can never ever lie. Even if we lie, we are like, look, we are lying. Oh God, we are one of our kinds, isn't it? So yeah, even if somebody proposes, gonna come back, they apologize. Even if a new person is like, oh, I'm sorry, take me back, I was stupid, you will be like, you will take your time. You will not be so quick to accept their offer back. You will like their offer, you'll enjoy it, but you will not be in a hurry to accept it. Let's see the fourth week. And you are also very busy with work in the third week, so your focus is more on work rather than on love. In the fourth week, yes, I do feel a lot of messages are coming, a lot of communications are coming. You'll be very, very busy checking on your phones, messages, emails, WhatsApp, or whatever you are using. Six of Pentacles, yes, I do see that someone wants to, a lot of communications and talks will happen on the fourth week about the progress of the relationship, about future. And I do see that. You will still try to, you will still be like, can you trust this person, but I think your person will be able to win you in the fourth week of July. And yes, patience paying off. Yes, your person is like, see, I'm not going anywhere, I'm gonna stick with my aquas, I love them and I'm not gonna leave them. Hermit, yes, those people who have not been in touch with you, who have been like, you don't know where they are, those who were underground, they are coming, they're gonna propose you, they're gonna be there for you, and they're gonna behave wisely this time, maturely. And the moon, yes, that will be a romantic week for you, the last week of July. Lot of romance, lot of love, lot of talks, lot of future talks. commitment happening, traveling happening, movement happening. So let's see some advice for our beautiful Aquarius for their love life. Then we're gonna look at their work. Let's see some advice for work, for love, for Aquarius. Advice for love for Aquarius. Financial and material changes. So yeah, finances are very important. Crown chakra. Look at that. I feel that someone was very much focused on their money, or someone was behaving very arrogantly, very egoistically, three-dimensionally. So they might have left you, they might have hurted you in the past, but you know what, this time you can count on them. This is a high vibrational relationship. A spiritual healing is happening in your relationships. Listen to your intuition, friends, in July. Your intuition will be able to guide you about the new people and the people coming in your life. So listen to your intuition, Aquarius. Firm foundation. Yes, your relationships are going through changes. Why? Because you are building a strong foundation, a strong relationship that will last a lifetime. So yes, it is a very important month. 5, number of change. 7, spirituality. Number 4, stability. So focus on all these things. Your focus is on building long term relationships. Your focus is on spiritual, soulmate, soulful connections. So, all those things are important, Aquarius. Wonderful month. Let's see some work, how your work will be, Aquarius. Work and career in July. Oh, 2 of cups, 6 of cups. Okay, lots of cups energy. And wow, look at that. 6 of Wands, King of Wands, and the 5 of Wands. So Cups and Wands. So nice energy. Very nice, actually. Aquarius. July is your month, friends. July is definitely your power-packed month for you, Aquarius. Yes, you will feel very, very passionate about your career, about your career, your dreams of the future. You're very, very, very motivated. You feel very connected. Also, you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. Romance, chances of romance at work are very, very, very high. So yeah, enjoy that. Even at your colleges and universities, chances of love. Yeah, but one thing you need to keep in mind, Aquarius, in July, and that is that try to avoid conflict, because the sun will be in Leo, and that is your opposite sign, Aquarius. So try to avoid contrasting situations, conflict, arguments. Yes, there will be, even your heart and mind will say different things, but you know don't try to fight or argue, because you are very powerful and you have a lot of good energy. All the planets, all the energies is favoring you. So use that for your benefit. Focus on building relationships, focus on building teamwork. That will help you in July. It will make your career more high, more prosperous. And I also see that, yes, your past colleagues or your old connections will help you, in your career this time in July. Like, people from your past will recommend you, they will guide you, they will help you out. Money from the past which was due will come to you. And I do see a promotion, I do see a pay rise, I do see increase in your business and increase in your finances happening in July. So yes, there is a lot of good things, but only thing is, don't try to argue, don't try to fight with people. Why? Because you are doing great, you are going places, you should not spoil it. If you are a student, you will be missing your old friends, you will be missing your college life going there. And yes, I do see that some of you will get a chance to meet your friends, spend more time with them. And also some of you will be clearing your exams with very, very good marks, and with very with rewards, recognition. So congratulations for that, clearing your exams. Let's see some advice for you. Oops, sorry. Let's see some advice for you, Aquarius. Oh my god, Aquarius. Oh my god, look at that. Your guardian angels are guiding you, friends. You have nothing to worry about. You are on the perfect path, Aquarius. Yes, you are super blessed this month, and this month will change your life, or it will set you to a new way of life. And you have a lot of support in the spirit world. You have a lot of support from people around you. So, and surrender. Yes, if there is any situation that you feel you cannot understand, let it go, friends. Let it go. Give it to God, and God will help it for you. Or if you don't believe in God or anything like that, give it to the universe. Give it to the wind. The wind will help you. And look at that, the healing energy. Yes, a lot of healing will happen for you this month. Financial healing, emotional healing, healing with your power, sense of power. And oh my God, Aquarius, you're very, very, very protected. Oh my God, look at that. Again, guardian angel, angel protection. So, woo. Do you need anything more? Do you need any more? Are you doubting it again? Don't, because you're very much protected by the angels. This is your month, Aquarius. This is your month. So let's see your extra cards, Aquarius, and I hope you give this some views, friends. When I do horoscope readings, I get such bad views. I mean, like less views. Please increase them so that it helps. That's how YouTube works, friends. So please watch it, give it some views. Thank you so much, because that's how YouTube works. They don't recommend good things, but they recommend all the bad kind of things. So yeah, it's funny, it's weird, but please try and support us, friends. It's how tough it's been. Wedge, someone is trying to come between you and a friend or something important. Lobster, financial pinch. Yeah, I do feel that your finances will be recovering. So I don't see any loss happening, but yeah, if your finances, you may want, like, suddenly you may want to be a millionaire. That won't be happening in July, but you are definitely on a path for success. Lion, yes, time to act. Yes, you're very powerful. Tulip, great passion. You're very passionate about your dreams, your visions, your goals. Rainbow, the most difficult part of a situation is already over. So, yeah, I do see your life is changing. Your life is getting better, Aquarius. And December, yes, December is important for some of you. April is also important. So, something good will happen in April, in December. Or someone born in April and December, Pale, time to get out of a situation, new start. Skulls and hidden secrets can harm you. Yeah, I do feel that, anybody plotting against you will not be successful in July, because you're very, very safe. Your career is also very protected. Sunrise, ooh, new creative ideas, new ventures, a fresh start. Oh my God, a new you is coming, Aquarius. A new super, super, super duper you is coming, and that's the time that subscribe, like, and share Magic Wens Tarot, friends. Yes, support your Aqua baby here. And join us on Instagram, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic Z saying bye bye.